Baitman here with your weekly fishing report for July 31st. Real lakes, real bait, real bite. Located just off M55, the Minnow Bucket 222 is the go-to stop for anglers fishing St. Helen, Higgins Lake, and nearby waters. Fresh bait daily, tackle, and the best local intel. Targeting panfish on Baldwin or walleye on the flat. Hilltop Sports in Greenville has live bait, tackle, and trusted advice. Locals rely on them before sunrise. Walleye on crawlers and leeches at Houghton, Otsego, and Long Lakes. Torch for deep perch and smallmouth. Skegamog for pike and panfish. Leelanau and Crystal producing perch and bass. Glen Lake for panfish near docks. Lake Margreta and Misaki showing action. Dubonnet and Spider Lakes round out our kayak corner. Frankfurt, Kings in 150 to 180 feet on familiar bite herring. Manistee, Ludington, Pentwater. Kings and steelhead on meat rigs and spoons. Grand Haven and Muskegon, early bites with UV green spoons. Holland and Saugatuck, white flashers and offshore coho. Muskegon lake perch are starting, White Lake pike in the channel. Croton and Hardy, smallmouth and topwater bass. Big Star, Baldwin, Lincoln, and Bear Lakes. Steady bluegill, bass, and fair crappie. Black, mullet, Burt Lakes, walleye and perch on crawlers. Fletcher's floodwaters, panfish and pike. Long Lake near Alpena, fair crawler bite. Grand and Hubbard Lakes showing crappie and deep perch, Gogabik. Walleye on crawlers, 18-24 feet. Indian Lake, Manistique, Michigami. Panfish, pike, and mixed bites. Big and Little Bay Denok, harness rigs for walleye and smallmouth. Lake Independence, mixed bass and walleye. Familiar bite herring behind spin doctors in green, blue, or black. Run 150-180 FOW, 50 down on riggers, 250 back on divers. Early morning bite is strongest. Familiar bite is distributed by Buck's Aqua Farms. Ironton Cove, perch, pike, and bass on crawlers. Horton Bay, smallmouth and perch on minnows and leeches. Advance and Hemingway Point, walleye deep. Leeches, best for walleye, smallmouth, and panfish. Crawlers, great for walleye, perch, bass, and bluegill. Minnows, go-to for crappie and pike. Waxworms and worms, top choice for panfish. Fish hard, fish honest, tight lines. Baitman out.